Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we have a critical update for all of you Windows 11 users out there. A new update has rolled out KB5063878, part of the 24H2 release. And while updates are usually a good thing, this one, well, it's causing some serious concern. Reports are flooding in, and they're not pretty. We're talking potential SSD failures, data corruption, and other nasty issues. If you haven't installed this update yet, you absolutely need to hear this. Let's dive into what's going on. Major issues with KB5063878. 1. SSD and HDD failures. Symptoms: drives disappearing from File Explorer, showing as RAW, or becoming unreadable in BIOS. In some cases, smart data becomes inaccessible, and file system corruption occurs after sustained write activity. Cause: likely due to changes in Windows write-back behavior and buffering, especially under heavy write loads. Example, large game updates or file transfers. This affects SSDs with various controllers, not just FISN. Impact: some users have experienced data loss or needed to reformat drives. Rebooting may temporarily restore visibility, but not stability. The most alarming issue being reported revolves around solid-state drives, or SSDs. Several users are claiming that after installing KB5063878 and performing large write operations, think installing big games like Cyberpunk 2077, or transferring large video files, their SSDs have either failed entirely or suffered significant data corruption. The problem seems to be more prevalent on SSDs that are already quite full, with over 60% capacity used. And after writing a significant amount of data, around 50 GB or more continuously, imagine the horror of losing all your important files, photos, and games just because of a Windows update. While Microsoft is reportedly investigating these claims, the sheer volume of reports is definitely raising red flags. We're seeing users across various forums and social media platforms sharing their experiences, and it's a pattern we can't ignore. Workaround: uninstalling KB5063878 resolves the issue for affected users. Microsoft has not yet officially acknowledged this specific bug. 2 OBS and NDI streaming lag. Cause: a bug affecting NDI's reliable UDP transport layer, likely due to packet timing issues introduced by the update. Workaround: switch NDI receive mode to TCP UDP or uninstall the update if streaming is critical. Symptoms: severe audio-video lag or stuttering when using OBS or NDI tools, especially with display capture enabled. 3. AutoCAD admin prompt bug. Symptoms: AutoCAD 2022-2026 prompts for admin access unnecessarily, blocking standard users from launching the app. Cause: MSI installer behavior triggered by the update. Status: Microsoft and Autodesk are working on a fix. 4 random system shutdowns. Symptoms: some users report spontaneous shutdowns after installing the update. Fix: uninstalling KB5063878 resolves the issue for affected users. Microsoft has not yet officially acknowledged this specific bug. 5 installation failures. The scope: affects enterprise environments using WSUS or SCCM. Fix: Microsoft has issued a known issue rollback, CUR, and resolved the issue as of August 14, 2025. Like, share, subscribe, and comment for more updates. Thanks for watching.